Hey everyone, Josh here from Neighborhood Car Reviews, and today I have something really cool.
What we have here is a 1992 Jeep Wrangler YJ S model. Now this is not a Sahara that was used in the movie, but we'll take a look at it anyway. These YJs mark some of the most replicated movie cars ever made. A lot of people like to replicate their YJs into the original Jurassic Park Jeep Wranglers. This one is pretty decent. While it's JP07, that vehicle number never showed up in the movie. But overall, it's done really well. Now, this is not a Sahara model. This is just a standard S model, so that's part of the incorrectness. It is painted in Sand Beige metallic and does feature the correct red colors, but it doesn't have the correct mirrors or the correct interior. Also, the movie cars were half-door models with the soft top convertibles. But overall, it's a pretty cool vehicle, and I thought it would be a lot of fun to show everyone. Found this at a dealership in Mooresville, Indiana. And inside is just a basic interior. It does not have the green and tan trail cloth that the Saharas have. But overall, it's pretty nice inside. Of course, the top and the doors are removable. And this Wrangler does not have the PowerTech inline 6-cylinder engine. It has the 2.5-liter cast iron block inline 4-cylinder engine. Overall, it does seem to run pretty well. But it is kind of a dog, being underpowered. Happily, it does have the 5-speed manual transmission. Gear changes are smooth. And of course, this isn't going to be like my typical in-depth reviews, but here's a overlook of the interior, although I just showed it to you. But we'll go over some of the details inside. It does have the vinyl and cloth high back bucket seats. This vehicle was not equipped with a radio, so it is equipped with an aftermarket radio. It does feature factory carpeting, non-assisted steering, so it is all manual steering. There is no cruise control, no air conditioning, no nothing like that. It is a basic tractor, basically, of a vehicle. It does feature full instrumentation, a 7,000 RPM tach, 100 mile per hour speedometer. Then, of course, you have your fuel gauge, your temperature gauge, oil pressure, and battery volts with a center mounted clock. Small little storage tray, and then a glove box below. Ventilation controls. As stated before, there is no air conditioning. And you have an aftermarket JVC radio system. Small little glove box. Overall, though, this is a fun vehicle. I hope you enjoyed it. Just a neat little look at a Jurassic Park movie vehicle. And if you like this video and would like to see more like it, comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/neighborhoodcarreviews. And as always, thanks for watching.